All right, to the stadium.
Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Hello, Skraelings! Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you meal?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Completely unexpected.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Excuse me?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
No, I didn't get to really watch the thing.
Cordelia! Can you hear me?
I didn't know she had a sister.
Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot!
So convenient. Everyone just has these presents. And have a ways to get them to me.
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
I'm gonna dodge a lot of shit, aren't I?
Check out this new trick, Nick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash. Chainsaw Dash!
Wait, stop! It makes me dizzy! Ah! Watch the eyes!
Alright. New zombie tiger. Football players. I probably will hate them. Oh, though he died first. Sure.
Let's go!
Where to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find out Stormbreath.
I'm really trying to wrap my head around this chainsaw dash thing. Can I do it in the middle of battle? Because my controller is not liking me.
Oh man, our quarterback's a zombie.
Kill him anyway.
Oh, thank God. No. Oh, great baseball now. So Blue Barrels, hey guys, I would like you to. Alright, what sport is next? Not sport.
I hate it when everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of
There it
fun
is.
because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck. I'm drooling.
It is fun. It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead.
Sorry, Nick, I think all your friends are dead. Oh, how many of these do I have? 4! Oh!
So delicious.
Good to know. Yeah, that's gay. Oh, I have a handful feeling. I'm allowed more mistakes. But it's only because I died of that QTE, isn't it? Because it restored my health to max after that.
Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
Time to shop.
Is there anything for straying?
Click. I found something.
Rodent chow mein. No.
What should I get? Click, click.
New threads? American cheerleader.
What should I get?
No, hey Brian.
Well,
I don't know if there's a delay in chat or not. Yeah, finally back at fucking streaming.
You're gonna be fine.
Chose the most ridiculous game to do so with.
Whoa, it's like backdraft, rabies.
hold on, victim dude. I'm coming to help.
Yeah, basically. But the difference is okay. But the difference is I didn't never want it to stop. It's just the fact that shit kept going wrong and like the schedule kept changing.
I need a girlfriend.
Because I had to like what? My capture software stopped working. I had like 5 different jobs in a year with all different schedules. I didn't have my own computer to work on.
What's your
My
favorite color?
my laptop.
Blue? No, green.
Awesome. I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
And my laptop shit out on me. But now that I have everything fucking working again, and I can make time for this.
dangerous, but kind of atmospheric.
I should
And
probably
romantic.
gotten one
Don't you think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay
of the
focused.
recoveries because I keep getting knocked on my
Wasn't like I was
ass.
gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
Kick out! Kick out!
At least they're not immune to the drop kick, which I should implement more so I can get instant kills.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. You could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool.
Hell,
There's a
maxed
50%
out on
chance it will be
healing
a
and stuff.
cannibal.
Maybe I am getting better at the game. Oh, probably gonna eat my words soon. They're gonna throw something at me that's gonna rock my day.
Alright!
Amazing!
Cool!
Oh my god, that rocks!
Pop it!
That body will do. Please, Nick.
What am I gonna do, say no?
The headless body doesn't have a choice. Alright, what is he doing?
Pop you on this.
Wow!
Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet. I'll just raise my fist and ah!
Oh,
I use magic.
no, he's just gonna punch the shit out of things. I wouldn't call that magic.
So how long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
We're here to help you. You're gonna be fine.
I saved the cat from a tree.
Why not? Oh, they shoot more fireballs, not flamethrowers. Instant kill? Okay. Probably the word zombies is because that fire hurts. I mean, technically, the the bodiless Nick,
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present.
has magic on him. And it's really Juliet, the one using the magic for him to use. And he still just punched the wall.
Shopping just makes me feel better about myself.
Come on, how do I answer?
Let's go.
Nope, nope, don't, nah,
Time for
stop.
Chainsaw Dash again.
Drive carefully, okay?
It was not time. I did not want to miss my purchase station.
Time to shop.
I should probably buy more skills.
Click, click. That's it, that's it. Well,
Oh, another lollipop? Sure, I'll heal again then.
let's go. Ooh, I don't have this one yet. Yeah. Chainsaw dash.
You know how I have my roulette that chooses which system I play on? Well, the system chose Xbox 360.
Juliet, you have to be careful.
Chainsaw dash.
And I chose Brian to pick out a game for me. And the only game he knows off the top of his head for the Xbox 360 is Lollipop Chainsaw.
I'll show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called...
I actually had this game in my hand
Hold on.
when I asked him what game I should play.
Zombie basketball.
I don't want to play this.
Time you're killing of zombies. How many points
Let me
can you
just play the
rack up?
game, not this mini game. Genuinely, I don't mind playing this game.
It seems like a
Like, I've needed an excuse to play this game because it's always been wacky and weird.
Great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
That's a basket.
Okay, asshole. No more beefy than I'd like it to be.
fantastic.
I'm about to just use my
Where'd all
fucking
those
super.
rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
Oh. So that actually happens in the game. I could try No More Heroes again. But I gotta do emulator stuff and I'm going to have this stuff. Alright.
Points. 1 minute left.
I'd need to buy No More Heroes. I'd actually like to own that game.
Nice shot. 3 points.
I am going to.
Fantastic.
I need a drop kick to one. No.
Fantastic.
Motherfucker. I don't want this to come down to the fucking timer. Thank you. Fuck.
Wow.
stupid.
What a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
No, that was dumb. I would rather not do that again.
Let's go!
Yeah, okay.
Let's go!
Yeah, if I do the game again, I definitely gotta get the, true ending? Nope, gonna back up.
Let's go!
Which wasn't hard to do. There's only a minimal grinding for that. Game start.
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay,
Ow! You bit my butt!
sorry.
Damn it. Well, I know how to play the game this time. I probably wouldn't. Unless I have those dumb bosses. Samurai chick messed my day up. The old lady with the railgun, I just didn't know where to go. But that would be an easy fix. There was that boss that had the one-hit kill, but... she wasn't hard. It just took me forever because I couldn't tell the difference between her fake out and her real attack. I think I only died like twice in the final fight. But that's because he also had an instant KO.
Running zombies? Fucking stupid.
Yeah, what kind of idiot would come up with that?
Doesn't want to use my chainsaw swing. The ability I purchased just because it said it was the best single strongest attack. It's not even a hard combo. Oh, there it is. Just gotta give it a second to actually charge up. No.
I'm dying and really fast.
I'm gonna be copyrighted so hard on all these songs. More plants. More money. Can I break this? Eh. Well, at least I have a Nick ticket. I can try for him.
What the dick is going on with all this crazy stuff?
What the dick?
Aha.
It's my new friend. As I invented. Do you like it? I'll share, Nick.
Go, die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay. Undead, we slay! You all suck and we are great! Decapitate!
What if I don't want to rescue people?
It's time to die!
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
God, Agnes used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. Oh.
Always bring the fight! San Ramiro High is the best!
Alright, maybe they'll come after me now, please? Or are they still playing SOS?
Push him back! Push him!
Can I drop kick these already? No. Oh my gosh, stop! No, I can't drop kick them. I was close enough for that, it just said no. Huh? No.
Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
Alright, give me my money.
I need another tampon.
Too much information. I'd like my money.
Oh my god! Easter egg! Oh.
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
Suck City! Whoopsie! pure gold. Hooray for me!
Oh, that was ass. I wish I knew the QTEs were happening after the fact. Alright. Health? Or maybe the get up.
God, I love shopping.
Ah, I can't pass up health. I have enough for health.
Check this out!
Though I should probably seen if they had anything for string. Which they definitely did not.
What should I get? Well,
Oh,
Juliet?
finally answered the
It's Cordelia.
phone.
Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
Thanks, I'm going to ignore that.
Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right?
Oop. Oop. Thank you. Where's this guy? He's just standing there. Oop. Ah. Alright, can't drop kick it. Not charge, I can't. Oh, there's nothing. Maybe it's because I was full.
Yes!
No, I've seen them before.
Oh, feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick, move very slow. Nick, move quicker. God, Nick, that was so hot.
I think he actually breathed fire. I don't think he was just punching things. Alright.
Big jump. Woohoo!
Ah, I hate this!
Did that land me on the Viking ship? Yay, nay. Long ass loading screen to figure that out? No.
They're right that lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18
Oh,
times.
Ooh, we don't have this one yet.
More firefighters to the rescue. We'll rescue everyone.
No, I cannot ignore them.
I feel like singing with raining men.
That would be funny, Nick.
You know what? Hell yeah.
Awesome!
I adore you. You ready? Nick toss. The killing effort. Here I come. All right.
Damn. Okay, it did kill him.
Can't get this Katy Perry song out of my head. Oh, what a terrible way to die.
Katy Perry. When did this game come out? What was her popularity at the time? Oh, I just take a leg off.
hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
Seeing how presents are probably just going to be upgrades. Maybe it's a gun. My sister has a gun.
I see the ship. That's calories.
Oh, fuck. Almost jacked up my headphones.
Nice jump.
Alright, what is it?
Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
It was a gun.
Cordelia's like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Does it shoot chainsaws? Oh, alright.
Zombie
Is it only for
baseball.
mini games?
Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Let's give my new present a test run.
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Sweet shot.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball. Awesome!
Here I go. Woo!
You're not getting away with my Nick!
I'm Ted Williams, your face.
Stop showboating.
Cool!
Yes.
Blaster!
It's a home run.
Chainsaw Blaster.
I have to do this fucking again?
What does guys mean?
Blaster.
Just get...
Yes.
Another hit.
Blaster!
Yes. I roll.
I should have
Well, the
been
game's
too
over.
captive.
Guess that bomb's gonna go off. While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya.
Oh, is that just game over?
Bummer.
No. What?
Why does it have to be dumb little mini games? QTE and mini games have gotten me, not the actual game. Like fighting zombies, that hasn't killed me. I had to do it 3 times? Ugh.
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Let's give my new present a test run.
Oh, I can't actually leave the circle.
Awesome! Chainsaw Blaster! Blaster!
You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Sweet shot.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks
Damn.
like they want to play ball.
They did hit him hard to begin with, though. Get to home plate 3 times 1. Okay. It wasn't just get 3 plates.
Here I go.
Read that wrong. I thought, like, oh, I only need 1.
Oh,
shit.
Chainsaw Blaster.
But I'm getting in the way of it.
I'll Ted Williams your face.
Home run!
Annihilated him. No.
What does studs mean?
Don't need it. Don't.
Check out that form.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Oh, Christ.
I should have been team captain.
God damn it, Nick. Just run.
Yes! Victory! Looks like zombie baseball has its own Babe Ruth, and she's a real babe.
I should do this all day, but I think we better move on.
Yeah, I guess we should find my sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
Did I get any money from that? Yeah, regard. Oh, another call. I haven't answered these in forever.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there is no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
I mean, I have a chainsaw that is, for some reason, considered a bike. When I just actually run. I only have 100 and...
I wonder what they have.
Nothing great. Short
That's
recovery.
it! What should I get? Well,
Oh, I can use this at any time. Huh. Alright, am I just suddenly at the swimming pool? Oh, we're at a cutscene.
Cordelia!
What? Juliet, there's something on you.
No, Cordelia! That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is cool. I wouldn't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck.
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
It wouldn't even benefit you.
My boys, Granny! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54V.
Right.
1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget!
Okay, so this seems like the
If
boss
it
fight
isn't
now.
the Pirates of the Jerk-Offian!
Oh my god.
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on me ship, Stelpa.
Getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her stairs to make a hat, and use her spine as a back scratcher. Let's show her the Viking way! Ha 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 ha!
Well, knowing like the last boss, this boss is actually gonna have phases. But I think I'm full on healing items. So I should be
We
set.
are Viking short and stout. We like to drink and fuck, fuck, fuck.
Alright, he's a little more beefy though. Why not? He just keeps hopping away, making noises. Oh, am I supposed to shoot him? Is that why bullets are popping up? Oh no, I'll just go around you.
Oh, you got a lot of gall, little girl.
Wait a minute.
Tell me that's it.
Alright. I need to lock on. This is why I have to go.
He's like a worm, there's 2 of them?
Oh, the legs are back. Oh, he's still. I thought that just put him into a finish mode. Wait, get over here. So now we're splitting him into 3. I would like bullets.
Now it's mine.
I feel the power of the gods in me blood.
Neat. Okay.
Stop blast.
You know what? I have enough health to just tank this if I really want. I feel like I.
Blaster.
Oh, out of ammo.
Pretty cool.
in the eye.
Lock on, please. Oh, I guess there is an option in case you run out of ammo.
Yes, it's time! Finish him!
Oh, diagonal. Honestly, the last guy had more to him.
My little girl! I'm a warrior!
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Genuinely, I was expecting to fight Bearhead at some point. Or maybe even a zombie bear, but that didn't happen.
Whoa! No! Stop!
What? This bites my non-existent balls.
Is this how I end up falling into the farm?